How's it going? My name is Eric. Welcome to the channel, and what I'm going to be explaining to is if you are using MACD for swing trades and you find yourself that the MACD is a little slow on, if you've been trading, you'll see that the MACD is just a little slow. I'll show you a way to maybe get a couple days ahead of the, doesn't always work, of course. Trades, these are all just probabilities, and of course, we're paper trading with all of these suggestions. Anything you hear on YouTube, I would paper trade any of the theories or, what anybody says. Do your own diligence, but anything I suggest, this is for paper trading purposes only. But you don't want to see me. Let's get to the charts here. And of course, let's get over the trading view here. So we got trading view here. We got the Vanguard S&P 500 or VOO. This will do nicely. Okay, let's get a move on here. We've got things to do. So as you can see, right here, you can see if you're trading the MACD, we got right in here where as you can see, there's we got the, you would come here, boop, this crosses, but as you go up, you'd be getting here. Let's see how, and you're like, as you can see here, there was, of course, you're not going to get all this, but you may, if you can trade good, you can get all this. And the first thing you're going to see is, where's the 200? Here's the 200. I think it's a 180, 200, about the same thing. Is the price above it? Hey, so we've got a good trend that this is going up. So, it drops down, comes up if we're a swing trader, but we're following the MACD, we're going to lose all this. How do we get all this? Well, I would suggest, if you want to do it, you can do it. But this red line right here is called the 9 SMA. And these candles, no matter green is, positive, red is below. If you want to learn about candles, go look at all the thousands of videos on that on YouTube. But here we go. So if you were doing MACD, you would have got right here, but you'd be missing out on 2%. And then as it comes down here and it kind of crashes right here where the MACD is, shoot, you're missing out on another 3%. So how can you get a little more? Well, I follow this 9-day rule, and this is a 9 called SMA. It's this yellow line is a 20 EMA. So the 9 is this red one. So what you could do is follow the 9. As you can see it right here, you would jump in here. Right when it goes red, boom, you'd get there. Move all the way up till this hits the red. You can jump here as it bumps up. Or you play with the yellow, you definitely would be out here. But if you were playing off of the 9, you would have gotten out here. So, you'd have 4.5% instead of what, if you're looking at here, where you would have got in here, and then you waited till it crossed down here. Hope you can see that. Then you're almost less than 1%. So let's do another example here. Here we go. This arrow would be here. You see that you're going to jump in again, and this one might be a little. Nope. As you can see, all the way up to it actually goes to this candle here. So if you're doing the MACD again, you would have got in like here, this green candle, it would follow the red 9 moving average, and then boom, you see this red candle. That's if a candle closes, a red candle touches, as I say, get out. You're getting 1.2%, but let's go back into, you can clearly see the red kind of going up, and you got this green. You're like, yes, this full body close above the 9, you get in, and if you follow that up, you get 1.7. So, sometimes the trade doesn't always, but you can see where you can get a couple extra days if you just try to jump on the candle as it closes above this 9. Just a suggestion. And I think that's about it. Other things, it's election day or night. It's night. Let's look at Bitcoin. I thought I had this. Well, who's winning the election? Look where Bitcoin's going. You have a hint. I had this regression line here. As you can see, boom, support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support. Look like we were getting some more resistance. Maybe we busted through, and maybe this is, we have possibly a new trend line here. We'll see. Is this the new trend line? We will see. This would go up here. That would be nice. We'll all see what tomorrow brings, but I hope you found some of this information useful, and thanks for following and liking and watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.